Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be making flower with stem and leaves. We need 3 different color origami sheets, and the yellow one, only 1/4 of this sheet is required to make the center of the flower. Let's start with the flower. Keep the white side on the top and start with the plus crease. Open the paper and bring all the 4 corners to the center point. This is called as blind space. Turn the model and bring all the corners to the center again. Turn the model and do the blind space one more time. So altogether we'll be doing the blind space for 3 times by turning the sides. Turn the model and flatten the flaps as demonstrated. Turn the model and fold small triangles inside in all the corners to give a curve shape to the flower petals. Now let's make center of the flower using 1/4 size of the paper. Keep the white side on the top and start with the plus crease. Bring all the 4 corners to the center point. On the same side, repeat the same thing one more time. Use little bit of gum to make sure it doesn't move. Now we'll make stem and the leaves using single paper. Keep the white side on the top and start with the plus crease. Bring the bottom to the center crease. Open the flap and fold the triangle here. Repeat the same thing on the other side too. Now bring this end to the center crease. Same thing on the other side. Turn the paper and bring the sides to the center crease by leaving 1 mm each side. That is for the stem. Bring this tip to this point and make a crease. Turn the model and bring this edge to match with these 2 points. Make a crease. Then you can tuck it inside the pockets. Stem and the leaves are ready. To give the curve shape, you can fold triangles inside as shown. Glue the flower on the stem. Origami flower with the stem and leaves are ready. Thank you for watching.